So we're coming up onto another waterfall here, and the ground has gotten a little bit colder. I don't know if you saw in the first one. I flashed down. I'm out here barefooted. I did start the hike with my 5 fingers, but as soon as I saw how wet the trail was, I went ahead and stripped them off just to keep my feet from getting sopping wet. So I'll give you a view here of the beautiful water. It's rushing pretty fast right now. It's springtime and snow's coming down off the mountain rapidly. Here you go. Have fun.